If I had a nickel for every time someone told me to warm up the engine before driving, I could buy a used 2002 Civic and still have change for gas, which I wouldn't need. Because guess what? The myth is garbage. Absolute exhaust scented lies. Myth number 1. You gotta warm up the car first. Oh, the sacred ritual of start your car, sit there like a confused penguin in a parka and wait like you're baking a souffle. Folks, unless you're driving a 72 Ford Pinto powered by wishes and chewing gum, modern engines do not need to be warmed up. This isn't 1975. Today's fuel injection systems are built smarter than half of Twitter. Let the engine run for 10 to 30 seconds max, then gently drive off. You're not prepping for a NASCAR race, you're going to Target. Myth number 2. Premium gas is premium performance. You ever hear someone brag about only using premium gas like they're pouring holy water into their Camry? Yeah, stop. Unless your car specifically requires premium fuel, you're just donating money to Big Oil, so they can buy another yacht made of sadness and dolphin tears. Premium fuel isn't a protein shake for your car, it's a waste of cash for most engines. You don't need it, your Civic doesn't need it, your wallet definitely doesn't need it. Myth number 3. Oil change every 3,000 miles. This one is so old it has a flip phone and thinks MySpace is still cool. Look, back when dinosaurs ran Jiffy Lube, 3,000 miles was the rule. But with today's synthetic oils and advanced engines, try 5,000, 7,000, even 10,000 miles depending on your car. Changing oil too early is like throwing away half a pizza because someone told you cheese expires in 30 minutes. Stop wasting money, stop wasting oil, and save the pizza. Myth number 4. Manual cars get better gas mileage. This used to be true, back when everyone was watching VHS and thinking Bluetooth was a pirate disease. Some have more gears than a Swiss Army knife and get better mileage than their stick-shift siblings. You can still drive manual for fun, for control, for the sexy Fast and the Furious fantasy you've got going, but for fuel efficiency that ship has clutch slipped into the past. Myth number 5. Red cars get pulled over more. Okay, this one has lived rent-free in our brains for decades. Red equals danger equals ticket magnet, right? Wrong. Insurance studies show red cars are no more likely to be ticketed than any other color. What matters more, speeding, aggressive driving, and the fact that your 2010 Mustang sounds like a chainsaw trying to breakdance. Color doesn't make you a target, your lead foot does. So what did we learn today? Warming up your car? Useless. Premium gas in your Corolla? Stop it. Red car panic? Pure superstition. Anyway, what's the dumbest car myth you've believed? Drop it in the comments so we can roast it together. And remember, subscribe or your check engine light will come on forever, for no reason.